There has been no rain in this village for many days. Once, this village was filled with happiness and peace. Golden rice fields stretched in every direction, and the land was rich with crops. The fields were covered in green, and there were smiles on people's faces. There is no trace of any of that. The pond has almost dried up, and the soil is cracked apart. Now there is only dust everywhere.
This water feels perfect.
In the forest beside the village, there lived a beautiful little frog. He had no worries and he had no fear. He was spending his days in simple happiness. Even though water had dried up everywhere else, the small place where he lived never ran dry. That was his safe shelter. But that happiness did not last long. One day, he suddenly heard the harsh cries of people. Someone was shouting, complaining in distress. He stopped. A feeling of curiosity rose inside him. What were the people saying? What were they doing? Then he slowly stepped out of the forest. Curiosity pulled him toward the village.
God, please look upon us. What wrong have we done? Send us rain. Please send us...
Oh God, please look upon us. What wrong have we done? Send us rain. Please send us rain.
Look, a frog! All the water is near him!
It's his fault. It's his fault. It's his fault. It's his fault.
Are we certain?
Wait! I did nothing! Take him to the tower. Now the rain will come. You will all see. The sky will answer us. If they truly need water, not for me, send the rain for them.
It's raining. It's raining.
The frog! He's still up there! We were wrong.
People often realize the truth too late. The frog is no longer there. But his death leaves behind an important lesson. Show kindness before it is too
Like, subscribe, turn on notifications.